So I just came across this new open source text-to-speech model called VibeVoice, and it's like a game changer for creating conversational audio.
Oh, really? What's so special about it? I mean, we've seen a lot of TTS tech emerge.
Right, but this one supports long-form multi-speaker audio for up to 90 minutes. That's way more than what we usually see.
90 minutes. That's impressive. But how does it handle the switching between speakers?
Good question. It actually uses a next token diffusion framework to maintain dialogue flow and context. It's all about coherence.
So it's not just spitting out words, but actually understanding the conversation. That's a pretty big leap.
Exactly, and it's designed for low latency generation, so you get the first speech chunk in around 300 milliseconds.
Wait, seriously, that's almost real time. How do they manage that speed?
They use continuous speech tokenizers at a super low frame rate, which boosts efficiency while keeping audio quality intact.
That's fascinating. But I wonder about the potential for deepfakes. Isn't there a risk of misuse?
Definitely, they're aware of that and stress responsible use. The risk of creating fake audio content is a serious concern.
I mean, it could easily be used for impersonation or spreading disinformation, right?
Exactly, and they even recommend users disclose when they're using AI-generated content to avoid misleading people.
That's smart. But what about other languages? Are they planning to support more?
Currently, it only supports English and Chinese, which limits its accessibility. That's a downside.
I see some potential problems with that. It could alienate non-English speakers, but the tech sounds robust.
True, and while it has its limits, the model's ability to create engaging, multi-speaker conversations is pretty revolutionary.
Right, and it's addressing issues like speaker consistency and natural turn-taking, which are big challenges in TTS.
Exactly, it really feels like they're pushing the boundaries of what TTS can do.
But I can't help but think about the ethical implications. How do we navigate that?
That's the million-dollar question. It requires ongoing dialogue about responsible AI use.
Totally. And it's interesting how this tech could impact industries like podcasting or audiobooks.
For sure, imagine having a podcast with multiple voices without needing a whole crew.
That could be a game changer. But will it ever replace human nuance and emotion?
I wonder about that. AI can replicate speech, but can it truly capture the essence of human emotion?
It's a fine line. I think there will always be a place for human touch in storytelling.
Agreed, but maybe it can enhance our experiences rather than replace them.
That's a hopeful perspective. It's like using tools to augment our creativity.
Exactly, and with more research, who knows how far we could take this tech.
But we need to remain vigilant about its use to prevent negative consequences.
Absolutely, and this also invites us to think about our roles in shaping AI's future.
Right? It's not just about the technology, but how we choose to use it.
So if we put all this together, Vibe Voice could be a significant advancement in TTS.
And it opens up so many possibilities. But with great power comes great responsibility.
Exactly, it'll be exciting to see where this leads us. What an intriguing journey.
Definitely, I'm curious about the future applications. It's a thrilling time for AI.
And it leaves us with this question: how do we balance innovation with ethical responsibility?
Well, I guess that's the key challenge we'll all have to tackle moving forward.
For sure, let's keep the conversation going as this technology evolves.
Absolutely. There's so much to explore and discuss in this rapidly changing landscape.